Hello, welcome once again to Chemath Lab. We are looking at missing angles. In most cases, students are challenged to find the angle that is missing. In this case, we'll follow through the formula for finding a missing angle. In this case, we write these angles that are given to us, and we get to know that this angle sum of any triangle is 180 degrees. That is the basic knowledge that each and every student must know. So in this case, we'll write n plus 110 plus 40 is equal to 180 degrees. So all these angles must give us 180 degrees. Now we come and add n plus 110, which is given here, plus 40. That is going to be 150 degrees, which is equivalent to 180 degrees. So n plus this angle, you must get 180 degrees. Now you apply the knowledge of algebra, where you take this angle the other side. So we'll say n is going to be equal to 180 minus 150 degrees. So we'll know that our missing angle is 30 degrees. 180 minus 150, you get 30 degrees. So this is the angle that is missing that they want us to find. Now in the next example, it's going to be the same formula. We take n plus 90 degrees plus 35 degrees. This has to give us 180 degrees. Then we add 90 plus 35, that is 125 degrees, is equal to 180 degrees. So we take this the other side still, n is equal to 180 minus 125 degrees. So our missing angle is going to be 80 minus 25. So this is going to be 55 degrees. That is going to be our missing angle. So we can continue to the next example and still do the same thing. N plus 130 degrees plus 25 degrees is equal to 180 degrees. So n plus 130 plus 20